hello, hello, hello. This is Els coming to you from Bima's Crafty Corner, and I have some stuff to share. First up, I have these. This is my china for the day. Yes, I get it every day. I have ordered in some lace, some very delicate lace, and I got it in black and blue, very royal blue, and red, and this is true red. And then I got it in this dark navy blue. So I got all of those. Those are going to be going in my Etsy shop. Okay. And then we went Scaventure. Okay. So what did we get on our Scaventure? We got this huge roll, 24 feet by 18 inches of contact paper, $2.99, so $1.49 to me. Oh. Okay. Okay. Then we got this pretty box, which was marked at $4.99, so $2.49 to me. Isn't it pretty? Let's see what's in the box. Bags! Bags! We all know how I love my bags. Okay. So, let's get rid of the box. Okay. So, $1.99 for these. So, 99 cents. 99 cents. And 99 cents. Alright, now this was the first bag I came across, $2.99, so $1.49 to me. And this has got a brand new Melissa and Doug washable ink. That's for the grandkids. And then I got all these rubber stamps. Most of them look like they've never even touched ink. Doo-doo-doo. What's the last one? The last one's a rose. So you may ask, what do I do with all these rubber stamps? Well, any that I can't use, I usually take down the street. I've got an elementary school about half a block from my house. And so I take them down there and I donate them to one of the teachers. Or give it to their art department. Or I go around the corner and give it to the Boys and Girls Club down the street. So I got rubber stamps. I don't know where to put them. We're going to put them over there. Make the cat mad because I put stuff on his place. Alright, so then we got bags. $1.99, so 99 cents to me. And we all know, I've told you guys this 1,000 times, it is almost impossible to find cards in Vegas that are not from a casino. So, let's see what we got. I'm hoping this is what this is. Yep, and it is. Awesome. Oh, I like the Joker. He's cute. Okay. Oh, and there's 3 of them. Cool. Okay, so I got those. And I got these, which are not even open. Wall covering source. That's where these are from. Plastic coated playing cards. Bridge size. Okay, let's see. I'm kind of hoping they're the funky design. They are the funky design. Okay. So, let's see. Then we got this bag for $4.99, which is $2.49 to me. Let's see what we got. Let's start at the bottom this time. We got notes. We got more notes. We got a pita pad. More notes. More notes. Oh, we don't like that one. Throw it away. Okay. A-Tech teachers are superstars. So there's some notes there. That's another one, just in a different color. And then I got these, Let's Celebrate, and these come in all different colors. So I thought I could use these maybe in journals or send them out to my swap partners. So I got all those. Coolio. And then I went, and there's another bag. And another bag. Okay. So let's see what we got. Bag number one. Bag number one is $2.99, so $1.49 to me. Let's see what it says. Okay. So there are 2 packs in here of photo paper. I won't use this. Alpha chips. Me and my big ideas, 5 sheets. And these look like they're kind of Halloween-y. I said weenie. Karen Foster image brads. Those are cute, kind of summery. And then I got these little brads. Anybody knows somebody having a baby? Let me know, because I have piles of baby stuff. Okay, $1.99 or 99 cents to me. And I really didn't care about these. And I really don't care about those. Those are from the Cannery Casino. What I bought it for was this pack right here. And I'm hoping that that is truly what the back of this deck looks like. Boy. Okay. There we go. And it is what it looks like. Yes. Ooh. I like it. I like it a lot. Look at that. I like them. I like them. I like them. I like them a lot. Okay. Put those back in there. All right. I have a whole box of Cannery cards if anybody wants them. They have a hole in them. Or the corners are cut off, one or the other. Okay. Then I found this. And this was $2.99, but here's the thing. At Savers, when you buy 3 books, you get a book for free. So this was actually $1.49, and then after I bought 3, I get one for free. So, and the reason I bought this was because of all of the pictures in here. Butterflies and flowers and trees and just really cool stuff. And so I'm going to do some different kinds of tags with those. And then I got this one, Disney's Storybook Collection. And this one again was $2.99, so $1.49 to me. It's got a little coloring in it, but I can live with that because it's mostly just in the front there. Again, I got this really for the pictures more than the book itself. But it's got, you know, all the classic Disney tales in it. And so I figured, you know, I can use this for all kinds of stuff and journals and pocket letters and stuff. So I got that. And then I got this one, which was $2.99, so $1.49. The Ultimate Dick and Jane Storybook Collection. And again, mostly for the graphics, you know, for the video, for the pictures in here is what I got it for. But it's really kind of cool. So I got that. So then I bought this Masterpiece, the Bellagio Gallery of Fine Art, which is in Vegas, of course, the Bellagio Hotel. And what this is a pack of greeting cards. And the greeting cards actually have art on the front of them. So that's what I got it for, was the art. I wanted the pictures. Not so much anything else, I just wanted the pictures. So. Looks like there's probably at least 2 of each. But that's what I wanted it for, and I got all these envelopes as a bonus. So that was a good deal, because that was only $4.99, so I paid $2.49 for that. And then, was that it? Then I got this. 1,000 of these tags for $1.99, so 99 cents to me. Brand new, unopened. 1,000 tags that I can tea stain and use. The last thing I got was this. And this was originally $39.99. $29.99 is the sale price. Dropped down to $19.99. Marked off to $14.99. They sold it for $7.99 at Savers. And that means that I got this for $4. Well, $3.99. It's a Xyron multi-tool pack. Brand new, never opened. You've got your regular Create a sticker, the adhesive runner plus a refill, and the photo tape. So I figured, why not? I mean, I already have one of these, but the bottom line is I can use this and this as a refill. So that's 2 refills, and they're like $4 a piece, so that's like $8 right there. And then the Xyron tape's another $8. So this was well worth my money. And the last thing I got was at the post office. I have a girl there that works there that hooks me up. Whenever these get dirty or torn, she gives them to me. So I got a stack of Tyvek envelopes for free. I like free. And I think that's pretty much all I got. Yep, that's it. That's all I got today for you. So, here we go. Like, subscribe, share, ring my bell, and, you know, tell your friends about me, and let's get this channel to grow. Or don't, you know, totally your choice. I'm okay with it. But I do appreciate you stopping by today, and I hope to see you again. Until then, bye-bye.